Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: subscription, permissions, and a target open AI or cognitive services resource. Once signed into Azure AI Studio, pick your tenant and check billing and quota to avoid surprises. Next, create a project immediately and choose model type, region, and compute size. For example, 1 GPU for faster experiments or CPU for low-cost tests. This gets you into the workspace right away, so you can move from setup to building without delay. Once your project exists, upload data in CSV or JSONL and map fields so the model knows inputs versus targets. Make sure to split training and validation sets. 80/20 is a common choice to evaluate performance. Then configure fine-tuning or build a prompt flow. Set learning rate, batch size, and epochs based on dataset size. Test iteratively with sample prompts and debug outputs. Use versioning and tags so you can compare runs and roll back when a tweak underperforms. Deploy your model as an endpoint and select scaling, manual for fixed cost or auto-scale for variable load. Make sure authentication is set, either keys or managed identity, so clients can connect securely. Once live, monitor logs, latency, and error rates and create alerts for thresholds such as 5% error rate or 2000 milliseconds latency. If output quality drifts, retrain with fresh data, refine prompts, or enforce stricter validation. Finally, keep a rollback plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.